Hi, I'm Chef Adam at the House of Grills, and today we're going to talk about grill grates. So the first grill grates we have are the stainless steel. So some pros and cons to these. Pros being that it is very corrosive resistant when it's brand new. It's lightweight and easy to move around, and it heats up really quickly. So if you're looking for a quick lunch, this is a good grill grate to go with. Some downsides, however, with that fast heating up, it doesn't have a lot of great heat retention, so it's not going to hold and give you those nice crispy sear marks in your steak if that's what you're looking for. Second, we have cast iron. Cast iron is very dense. However, it's a lot more babysitting with cast iron because it needs to be oiled and maintained pretty carefully to maintain this for its full longevity. But if you do have the patience to maintain your cast iron, the thing will probably outlast your grill itself. Third, we have the vitreous enameled or porcelain enameled. So we have three different varieties here. We have some thin steel here. We have a different variety of the steel here. And then we have the enameled cast iron here as well. So the nice thing about having the enamel is that it's very non-stick. However, depending on the materials underneath it, either being steel or cast iron, is going to determine the type of heat retention that you get. So the nice thing about, for cast iron specifically, having that the enamel coating on there is it gives you a nice smooth non-stick surface. However, with the porcelain enamel, with any of these, once you start to chip these, that's pretty much the end of the grill. You're going to let water in, it's going to start to oxidize, and it's really hard to maintain cast iron specifically if you do crack the enamel, especially steel as well. If you drop this and you crack the enamel or you scrape it too hard with the wrong type of scraper, you're going to break it, it's going to start to rust, and it's just going to start to degrade. So overall, my personal favorite, if I'm choosing any of these, is going to be the classic cast iron. I know I have enough patience to maintain it, so it's going to last as long as it possibly can, probably longer than my grill, as I said. Although these seem nice, this is also a lot more maintenance as well. So I would myself probably go with cast iron every time, but that's just my personal preference. It's really a factor of what it is that you're trying to cook. You want fast hot dogs and burgers and stuff, you can probably go with the economy stainless steel. I prefer the density of the cast iron. It's got great heat retention, holds on forever, and you get the best grill marks. And those are the grill grates.